Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to introduce yourself in a business setting in Norwegian. When venturing into the Norwegian business arena, whether you're networking, attending a conference, or setting foot in a new office, a proper self-introduction can make a significant difference in how you are perceived. Here's a guide to introduce you yourself appropriately in business setting using the Norwegian language and culture norms. Formal greetings. In Norway, greetings are important in business context. The most common greeting is god dag, god dag, god dag, good day. When you first meet someone, a firm handshake, maintaining eye contact, and a slight nod is a common gesture. Avoid being overly effusive or expressive, as Norwegians often appreciate subtlety and straightforwardness. State your name. Jeg heter your name. Jeg heter your name. Jeg heter your name. My name is your name. Mitt navn your name. Mitt navn your name. Mitt navn your name. My name is your name. Another variation. While it's typical in English to say, hello, I am your name, Norwegians usually use jeg heter, jeg heter, jeg heter. Share your professional role. If you're in a business setting, it's important to mention your role or profession. Here's how you can do it. Jeg jobber som, your job title, your company name. Jeg jobber som, your job title, your company name. Jeg jobber som, your job title, your company name. I work as your job title at your company name. For instance, jeg jobber som markedsfører i Nordic Tech. Jeg jobber som markedsfører i Nordic Tech. Jeg jobber som markedsfører i Nordic Tech. I work as a marketer at Nordic Tech. Express gratitude or pleasure to meet someone. It's a kind gesture to express that you're happy to meet the person. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. Nice to meet you. Det er en glede å møte deg. Det er en glede å møte deg. Det er en glede å møte deg. It's a pleasure to meet you. A slightly more formal variation. Basic conversation starters. After your introduction, you might want to engage in small talk. Here are some phrases that can be useful. Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? How are you doing? Hvordan har dagen din vært? Hvordan har dagen din vært? Hvordan har dagen din vært? How has your day been? Har du hatt en bra dag så langt? Har du hatt en bra dag så langt? Har du hatt en bra dag så langt? Have you had a good day so far? Closing remarks. When you're wrapping up your conversation or introduction, it's polite to use closing phrases. For instance, takk for praten, takk for praten, takk for praten. Thanks for the talk. Vi snakkes senere, vi snakkes senere, vi snakkes senere. We'll talk later. Gleder meg til vårt neste møte. Gleder meg til vårt neste møte. Gleder meg til vårt neste møte. Looking forward to our next meeting. Culture tips. Punctuality. Norwegians take punctuality very seriously. Whether it's a business meeting or a casual get-together, Being on time is important. Modesty. Norwegians are generally modest and down to earth. Avoid bragging or sounding too self important during introductions or conversations. Directness. Norwegians appreciate direct communication. It's not seen as rude, but rather as a way of being clear and efficient. While the language is crucial, understanding the culture nuances is just as important when introducing yourself in a Norwegian business setting. By ensuring you're polite, direct, and aware of the values and norms, you make a positive first impression and pave the way for successful professional relationships in Norway. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, one-on-one classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.